Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Hello friends, welcome to our channel AM Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your home inhabitants, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Ameen. So friends, today video will share with you the very beautiful crochet designs. Before starting the video, I requested all of you to subscribe to my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to you people in it. If you like today's videos, please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. If you guys are interested in my video, you can follow my channel. I am very grateful to the people who has subscribed to my channel. All the designs that I am share with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You have also buy to the market about such designs. Take care. Stay with me. Will remember in prayer and buy. You get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Which shows how you like our videos. If you want to watch my video related to crochet, visit my channel. If you know how to do the crochet work yourself, you can do the work with a beautiful piece of cloth. And if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my video and show it to someone else, and you can make up similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in this country, and girls love such clothes. So friends, today's video is amazing. Everybody has a lovely designs for you guys. Do not miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of crochet related designs. I am very happy that you like my video and love and leave good comments. Please let me know in this comment box what you guys like to see. Thanks for watching.